Bye, guys.
When you hear the music stop, you have to stop, okay?
George, you're going to get no prize.
Yes, you're gonna get no prize.
Why?
It's a
Here. Don't go there. Don't go over that. Ano?
It's raining
Again. Do you understand the mechanics? Dance.
You have to dance.
Go.
You ready? If someone moves, they're out, okay?
Level up.
Faster, faster, faster.
Stop. I'm going to count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good.
Ayaw pa. Gusto nila ng prize. Gusto nila makakuha ng prizes. Pwede yan. Walang ma-out. Sino winner?
Pwede naman lahat.
Pero lahat sila. Wow, did you go up? Wanna you jump together? Slow, slowly, slowly, slow, slow. Slow motion. Slow. Faster.
Stop. You know what? Move.
They're out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. May exercise tayo. Ay mag-teacher na sa inyo. Dapat pala nagalaw, okay?
Ay, may challenge daw. May mag-titikle na. Kaya niya na?
Dapat one ano lang. One.
What? This one?
You have to stand on your on your one foot.
Or this one?
Use your left feet to stand. Okay? 1 feet only. 1 feet only.
One thing.
Sorry. One only.
One hand.
Again.
Again, again.
Dance. Your one.
What do you want?
yung may ayaw ng toy? Sino gusto ng toy? Taas ang kamay.
Sino gusto ng toy? Itaas sa kamay.
Kapag nag-smile, bibigyan ko na ng toy. Kapag nag-smile,
Pag nag-shout, bibigyan ng toy.
pag tinaas yung kamay, bibigyan na ng toy. Pwedeng pumili.
Yes, pwede pang pumili.
Okay, I'm going to count 1 to 5. Whoever raised
Their hand.
will be allowed to choose from any of these toys, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, last. 5! Yay! Panalo! Sino gusto?
Okay na.
Sino gusto nyo? Sige na.
Got the giraffe.
Okay, we have next game. For our next game is Pass the Puzzle Game. Ate Lilian will going to give you a Happy Meal box. Okay, form a circle. When the music starts, pass on a Happy Meal box. When the music stops, you're holding the box. You must say something kind or nice, like "Have a nice day." Okay. We're going to form a circle. Kasama na kami doon. Microphone naman dito ni Mama. Everyone.
Don't.
Microphone na lang yung Mama.
Sorry guys, I don't finish that.
Okay.
Kukunin yan.
You have to say one positive word about that person. Okay? You ready? For the circle. Okay. Just like the
Pass around the mic and then circle. Whoever, when the music stops, pagpili na ang hawak ng mic, siya yung magsasalita na kind words. Okay? Like for example, you're beautiful. Okay? Sa lahat na. For example, nag-iikot yung mic. Pass the mic. And itlanded nung pwede. And then pwede will compliment us. Okay?
like the affirmation. Kind
For
positive.
example, pwede will tell you that hands up. Kind. Very okay. One more.
Okay, ready? Ready? Pass the mic.
Have a nice day. That's all?
That's all.
That's for everybody, na? Okay. You have to tell
Everyone.
You're Kogi. Who is that? Pwede or pwede?
Or Kuya. Aiden.
Kuya JK. Okay, how about Pidea?
Kogi too.
How about Kaden?
Also Kogi. Everyone's Kogi. You're pretty.
Yay!
Is that okay? Okay, Kaden, one more. Are you sure? You cannot repeat. handsome. And Kid is so makulit, but understanding. He's so very good. And Kid is so early bird. Early bird? Yeah. Okay, come here.
You read it.